Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ducky token. Name of the token is Ducky, ticker symbol is also Ducky. Now this token is named after a Matt Furie character. Pepe is a Matt Furie character. We also have Landwolf, Andy, Brett, all the members of the Boys Club, and now we have Ducky, and this token actually was just announced as getting a very big central exchange listing. This token is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain and Memecoin. We're going to go over the information on the Ducky token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I just saw on Twitter today, if you go to x.com and you look up Bitmart's Twitter, at Bitmart Exchange, they just announced that they will be listing the Ducky token soon. So they announced a couple new listing updates. One of them is for the Grade Coin at Grade Coin on Twitter. You can find it there, GRADE. So that is a new listing announcement for Bitmart there. And then they also announced that the Ducky token here, this is kind of, you can scroll down a little bit to find it. The Ducky token will be listed. I don't think they give an exact date yet. There it is right there. Yeah, so it says upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list the Ducky at Ducky Coin ERC soon. Keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So that would be one way to get the token. We'll go over a different way in a second here. But one way to get this token would be to download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or open an account on your PC. Then you would fund your account with a USDT, and then you would you obviously will have to wait until the token gets listed on Bitmart. So you could follow at Bitmart Exchange, or you could follow this Twitter that's right on the screen right here at DuckyCoin ERC, and they will tell you exactly when the listing announcement is. And then when it does get listed, all you'd have to do is go into the trade section, search Ducky, DUCKY, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token here you can find listed on Etherscan, since it's an Ethereum token. If you're looking for the price and the chart, you can find it on Dex Tools or Dex Screener. Now, if you want to get this token before it gets listed on Bitmart, or maybe Bitmart is not available in your country, or maybe you just don't want to use a central exchange, you can also get this token off of Uniswap. So first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Ethereum tokens. So you could use a Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet, or MetaMask Wallet. You could download any one of those wallets from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your account fund your account. You'd fund your wallet with ETH, and you could fund your wallet with ETH from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could find down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with ETH, go into the dApps, find a Uniswap, and then trade your ETH for this token using the contract address that you could find right there on their Twitter. Real easy to find that. And you may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. I'm going to have a look right now actually to see if there is taxes. And there's going to be some gas fees when buying tokens off Uniswap, so just be aware of that. Now this really is a brand new token. Actually, the pair on Uniswap was just created 1 day, 10 hours ago. So their Go Plus security audit says no taxes, no buy and sell taxes, so you don't have to worry about slippage. Now they have a market cap right now of $2.3 million. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $2.3 million as well, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Now they have 2,399 transactions just today for this token. $262,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to Dext Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Now they do have some audits, like I said, we're going to go over them in just 1 second. But before that, they have a Telegram you can follow as well, which is at Ducky Coin ETH. 299 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining. But that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding the project, like new partnerships, new token listing announcements like the Bitmart one, updates, and of course, memes. You got to see the memes, so that's why you got to follow the socials. See all those exciting memes. Now on their webpage, duckycoin.vip, there's also a bunch of links over there to socials and things that you could find there. All sorts of memes and artwork, things like that. They wrote Ducky 9,000 times on their webpage for just no reason at all. And it says, yeah, the little Ducky. So there's like a whole story on here if you... I'm not going to read this giant story, but basically it says a timeline of Ducky. And it starts in the 1950s, and there's this video that plays. And it says, Ducky was once an ordinary rubber duck, floating aimlessly in a sea of data. And then it goes on and on. The mysterious painting, trade routes are planned. Mass production was underway. International markets. And then it just keeps going and going. So if you want to read a gigantic story about this duck, you can head over to duckycoin.vip. Now over there, they also have the contract address, all the links to the socials. It says total supply 420,690,000,000 Ducky tokens. And then at the bottom of the page, they have a buy button, TikTok, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram as well. So you can check all that out on the webpage. And yeah, let me know that if you guys think this token is a good investment or not. Leave a comment down below. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.